All right, we're back. It's still Saturday, March 20th, 2021. Now here's a tool shop product right here. Good old angle grinder, under 20 bucks. I'm gonna use it for those stoops in the front. Yeah, so I'll crack it open and we'll take a look inside. All right, open it up. We got a manual here. All right, tool shop, there we go. What else do we have? It's wrapped up. All right, let's take it. Okay, we got the bit there. We got the handle here. Oh, a little assembly, huh? All right, hold on. Looks like we'll have to take off the grinding, well, the wheel guard, I think, and it doesn't look complicated. Yeah. Give me a second. So the guard is already on here. So I'm gonna take that off, because I believe I have to take this off to get the wheel on. So what I'll do is put the handle on. It looks simple enough. It should go right here. Very simple. Nice and tight. And guys, depending on what hand you use, there's a hole on the left and a hole on the right. I think I'll use the handle with my dominant hand, so I'll keep it on the right side. Seems pretty easy. There's a wheel retaining nut. I'll use the wheel removal wrench, and well, I can do it by hand actually, and let's try it. Yeah, because you can take that off. They want you to have this turned upside down. This area is oiled, so be mindful of that. So I put the wheel nut here and see what happens. That's okay. So I'm gonna take the grinding wheel, which is here. I'll let you know in the description what this is. Take it and I guess that's looks about right. So let's take the wheel nut and put it on. Of course, if you watch my other videos, you know I do it by hand. Wait a minute, hold on one second. Okay, what I did, the illustration isn't great, but I'm gonna assume that this kind of goes inside like that. Okay. Or would it make more sense to have it like this so that I'm gonna think this is how it goes here. Okay. Let's keep it like that for now. Now you see why this is important. The wrench actually fits into this nut with the holes, and you can tighten it like that. Okay, I took care of it. Here's your spindle lock. Okay, it's plugged up. Here's the on-off switch. Let's see how it looks. Honestly, guys, I don't too much care about this on-off switch. I wish it was more like a button or something, but this will do. I have to be real careful. It locks well. And again, I'm just using it to take care of my stoops. It'll be a lot faster if I use this instead of that wire brush I have. Well, you guys take care. Have a great day. Bye.